How would you feel if your next song could hit 10k Spotify streams and every release after that kept compounding until you hit 100,000 monthly listeners? That's exactly what I'm going to give you inside my brand new book, 0 to 10,000 plays in 60 days. And guess what? It is free. All you have to do is cover the shipping. I've been waiting for this moment for months, and today I'm going to show you exactly what's inside the book. Let's open it together, and I'll break down why this is going to be the #1 music marketing playbook for 2025. This book is for the artists who feel stuck. Like if you've got great music, but your streams just aren't where you want them to be. Like if you've invested in production, in artwork, in mixing and mastering, but you're missing the strategy how to actually get to that 10k elusive mark. Like this is going to be a proven roadmap that's going to show you how to get there. And it's the exact system that I've been using with all my one-to-one clients and the artists inside my social media coaching program, the 100k Hitmaker community. And you're going to learn how to build fan bases, grow streams, and turn casual listeners into super fans. So here is a sneak peek of exactly what's inside. As I flip through these pages, you'll see why this book is different. So we've got a contents page up here. In chapter 1, I'll be explaining why social media is the #1 way to market your music. And I will go through how it outperforms playlists, press, ads, and radio every single time. And we can jump ahead a little bit and I'll show you the economics of Spotify and deep dive into why 10,000 streams is the sweet spot and how much that actually pays you in 2025. Chapter 3 is this full 6-week song release strategy that I use for every single artist I work with. This is the heart of the book, and it will revolutionize the way you release music. And so that is 2 weeks of pre-production. Then it's 3 weeks of pre-marketing and 3 weeks of post-marketing, and everything is explained inside in detail. Chapter 4 is how to build up hype before release, and I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step posts that my artists do when they are building up and pre-marketing a song. And it's even got my ChatGPT prompts for storytelling, first line hooks, and headlines. So you're going to follow these steps and build a prompt for yourself. And then chapter 5 is about post-marketing and how you're going to drive traffic to the song after release. And that's going to be through performance clips of the chorus with repetition. And really I'll explain how 10,000 streams ladders up into 100,000 monthly listeners. And that is where you become a 100k hitmaker. And the final section of the book is a checklist where you can tick off the exact posts you need to make in the exact order. Like I said, guys, this isn't just a book you read. It's a strategy and a playbook you use with every single campaign. If you feel like you're just throwing your music into the void, you're hitting and hoping for the best, I pray that you just stop and don't leave anything to chance anymore. This book is going to guide you step by step through your release, and it's yours for free. All you have to do is cover the shipping. So head to allabouthelping.co.uk to grab your copy now. I'm so thankful from the bottom of my heart. I've been posting out VIP copies to all my clients and the brands that I work with, and I can't wait to see the impact this makes in 2025.